Hi friends, good morning. Myself AG sir from Samved School. Today I welcome all of you in today's very most important seminar for 11 Science. 11 Science is the base or path of success. You can see today we are affected by Corona, not only India but worldwide. This disease is spread out, and we can see that the angel of God, like doctor, is giving their best effort to cure the patients. Doctor is the path of 11-12 Science. You can see the dream to become a doctor if you have studied 11-12 Science, and after 11-12 Science you can take admission in medical and go for further study. Not only medical is the option to serve the people. Engineer is one of the part to serve the people, because technologies are used to detect virus and so many difficult situations. So we should thank the God, because we are having expert scientists, expert doctors and expert technicians. Samved School is one of the best school in Bhavnagar. You can see the picture of Samved School. Huge building and extraordinary facility available in this school. So I am going to give short introduction related to Samved School and expert faculties of Samved School. So I am really congratulate all of you to take 11 Science. 11 Science is the journey of hard work. Without hard work, you cannot achieve your target. Swami Vivekananda said that it is a great sin to believe yourself weak. You must work hard to achieve your dream. So one by one, we will go through the journey of today's seminar, and you will understand that the school, Samved School, is giving the best education and preparing best doctors and engineers, and it is very most important to prepare best person, good person. So we are having facilities. So we will go to discuss what is 11 Science, and in 11 Science how can you study in different group. Suppose in 11 Science there are main two groups, group A and group B. Subject wise we are going to discuss that in group A you will study mathematics, chemistry and physics. Group A is for the branch of engineering, and group B student have to study biology, chemistry and physics. It means there is simple difference in two group. In group A, there is mathematics, chemistry, physics common. In group B, there is biology, chemistry, physics common. You are all known about these subjects. Mathematics you are studying in separate subject because now you are in standard 10th. But in science, there are three subjects given in one book. Chemistry, physics and biology are divided in three parts in only one book. While in 11th science, you will study separate subject as a chemistry, as a physics and as a biology. So there is little bit difference that in standard 10th you are having main two subject, maths and science. While in 11th science, B group student need not to study mathematics and A group students need not to study biology. Both group having two common subjects. That two common subjects are chemistry and physics. So this is the simple explanation related to A group and B group. Now examination for student of A group. So it is compulsory to appear in board exam which is taken by Government of Gujarat, that is compulsory. So board exam is compulsory for group A and group B. To enter in qualified engineering college or to enter in different self-finance engineering college and government engineering college, you must appear in the examination JEE, JEE, Joint Entrance Exam for student A group. GUJSET is also one of the part who want to take admission only in Gujarat's college. Some self-finance college having need score of JEE also. So there are total examination are four type: Gujarat board examination, JEE for A group student, NEET for B group student, and GUJSET is the student of A and B group. It is depend on the government policy. In previous year, GUJSET is only for A group student. Now policy is going to change. So these are the exam that student have to appear. Next, examination for A group, JEE mains. JEE main are now divided in four parts. 4 times JEE mains are taken so that student can appear 4 times, and one of the best score is the calculated to get the admission in engineering college. So first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, even in fourth attempt, student can appear, and out of 4 examination, best score will be calculated to enter in self-finance college and to enter in government college. GUJSET is the examination for A group student. It is taken by Government of Gujarat, and JEE examination is nationalized examination. From all over India, students are appearing in joint entrance exam JEE. JEE mains is the first exam, then there will be one exam more for the student of A group. It is not compulsory. If student want to give JEE Advance and if he is qualified for JEE Advance, then he can enter in JEE Advanced examination. Pattern of JEE Advanced examination is different, and JEE Advanced examination is for IIT's college. So these are the simple explanation related to different exam taken by government for A group students. Examination for B group student. For B group student, board examination is compulsory. For A group student and for B group student, board examination is compulsory. Other competitive exam that student have to appear for B group student, that is NEET. Second one is GUJSAT. NEET and GUJSAT are the examination for B group student to take admission in medical and paramedical. So this is the simple explanation again for the student of B group. Next, day school system. Generally 11-12 science is the branch of hard work, and we are trying our level best to make student common to extraordinary student. 10th percentage is not important. In 11 science, it is important that how you appear, how you work hard during 2 years. So it is not necessary that student having 90 percentage and he will success, he will easily get admission in medical, he will score more than 90 percentage in board exam. 10th percentage is simple, limited for standard 10th only. 90 percentage student cannot enter in medical, and 50% student can enter in medical. It is depend on the hard working during 2 years. So it is the journey, it is the path to devote yourself for 2 years. There is one simple, according to my belief, in my opinion, I can say that you work for 2 years, you hard work for 2 years, you can relax for 30 years, next 30 years. And if you do not hard work for 2 years in 11-12 science, you cannot see the dream of to become good engineer or to become good doctor. You all know that we can see the dream by closing our eyes. But respected Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said that the dreams are come true if you can see the dream by open eye. The dreams that you cannot allow to sleep, you cannot allow to sleep, the dreams can come true. So 2 years you have to leave all functions like marriage ceremony, birthday, you have to leave even your family member to separate yourself in one room. I am giving one example. That is really true example. You can have the name, very popular name, eye surgeon. That eye surgeon, I cannot give the name of that eye surgeon, but eye surgeon's wife is also doctor, and lady doctor left his practice to make her son's dream come true. So parents' involvement is very most important. You have to watch. I am appeal to parents that you have to watch your son or daughter, because nowadays corona is spread out, and not physical lecture or offline lecture is possible. So every student has to watch video lectures or online lecture, but students are student. They must use proper perfect of mobile having so many dirty facilities available that you have to leave. So concentrate your mind, and when you study, total devote in your study, then you can see the dream. So this is the simple explanation. Our school timings are 7:45 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. full day school. As per our belief, we must pray the God to get positive vibration in our body, to pure our mind. Prayer is the food of our brain to think positive. So our school is generally started by the prayer, then 2 lectures of mathematics for A group student, 2 lectures of biology for B group students, 2 lectures of chemistry, 2 lectures of physics. So total 6 hours is occupied by main subjects lecture. 2 lecture for mathematics or biology, 2 hours, 2 lectures for chemistry, 2 hours for physics. Total 6 hours are occupied. Remaining 2 hours, total timing of school or working hours of the school are 8 hours. So 1 hour is scheduled for the test, alternate day test, and 1 hour is scheduled for the subject like Sanskrit, computer, and English. So this is the simple explanation. Timings, day school, and you have to work during these hours. During the working time, JEE NEET lecture will be included with subject lectures. We have very good laboratories, very facilities, very extraordinary laboratory we have in our school building. So practicals are properly done over here by experts. So physics laboratory, chemistry laboratory, and biology laboratories are we have 3 tests in week. I have earlier said that we are having alternate day test. If it is day taken that Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, there will be 3 main subject test. Suppose Monday is physics, then Wednesday is chemistry, and Friday is maths or biology. Every Sunday we are taking the test of JEE NEET. We are not only taking the test of JEE NEET, we solve the paper, because if students are try to appear the question, if student have difficulties and if question is not solved and that question is asked in the examination, that is to be said hit wicket in cricket language. So we solve all the questions after taken exam, and so that student having not any difficulty related to questions. Well designed building, AC classrooms, and 3 laboratories, physics, chemistry, biology. We have also computer laboratory and huge playground. These are the simple facility we are providing to the students. We are having difficulty lecture also. We are having doubt solving assistant. We can have the assistant who can give the drop lecture or solve the drop lecture, and assistants are must having at least 5 years experience, and assistants are totally under our observation so that student can get proper answer. Study materials are providing to the students, extraordinary study materials in printing. Limited students, we give admissions to 11 science students, very limited strength. Extra provision for doubt, economical fee structure. Every student can get admission and every student can study 11 science. So our fee structure is very economical. We give personal attention to the students. We are having expert faculties. So every week we are counseling the student. Suppose I am taking chemistry. I counseling the student of subject physics, because chemistry doubt cannot directly ask to me, but physics doubt can directly ask to me. Same way physics teacher will counsel the student for chemistry. So then we are note down all the problems of student. We all 4 faculties get meeting and then we discuss which question is got from the student and how can we solve the problems of student. So we are having familiar atmosphere and healthy atmosphere. Student can directly come to main faculty. Even parents can easily direct meet to main faculties. Simple, very simple person, but very knowledgeable person. Our respected faculty, Arvind Bhai Pandya. You can see over here, 47 years experience of biology. He is teaching biology for last 47 years. I am confidently and proud to say that 70% of doctor in Bhavnagar are the student of our respected faculty, Arvind sir. I cannot give name to you, but you can check expert doctors all over the Gujarat. Out of 5, 3 students will be the students of Arvind sir. So he is the wizard of biology. So simple, very simple person. Arvind sir, subject biology. Ramdev sir, mathematics subject. Generally, students are beware of mathematics. But Ramdev sir is the magician of mathematics. He has technique to make maths very easy and interesting. You can see the experience of Ramdev sir, 35 years experience of teaching of mathematics. So to study maths before Ramdev sir is the proud. So ultimate person, extraordinary person and wizard of maths, respected Ramdev sir. Myself, AG sir. Simple, 35 years experience of teaching chemistry. Chemistry is very interesting subject. I have so many degrees and I have technique to make chemistry subject interesting and easy. I should not praise myself, but student who taught before me can give better introduction of myself, can give better introduction of AG sir. Simple, my degrees are MSc, MBA, MPhil. These 3 master degree and 35 years of experience of teaching chemistry. At the age of 52 years, I am very excited to teach the student. Continuous 8 hours I can teach without feeling tiredness. This is the power given by God to me, and you will feel that my words are true, my words are right. Maniyar sir, HOD of physics, man of technology, 20 years of experience. Physics is related to technology subject, and Maniyar sir having extraordinary technique to make physics very easy. So to learn from Maniyar sir, physics is really interesting and really enjoyable. Online teaching, 2 lectures every day, 1 hour work, times are divided in 2 parts, 9 to 12 or 4 to 7 p.m. So no stress, just you enjoy the 11 science and make your dream real. Fees, simple fee, 10% discount to every student who have given test. We are taking entrance test to get the admission in Samved school. So 10% scholarship is given to every student who are appearing in scholarship test. A tablet of 15 11,500 rupees are given free to student, because we are giving tablet to the students, and student can have own tablet so that he can watch lecture, he can join with us online anytime, because some parents having only one mobile, father is going for the job, students having not proper permanent mobile, so there are technical issues created, so we are giving tablet free to the student, free materials, free most IMP question bank book for the standard 10. We have prepared one book, most IMP questions book. Before 2 years, 98% questions were asked from our book. So this most important book is the trump card for the student of standard 10 to get good mark in board examination. And we are having installment system, you need not to pay full fees or half fees, as per your convenient we install the total fee in different installment and you can easily pay the fees. So fee is not tension for you and for us. Important is to get best study that we are providing. We 4 faculties are very most experienced faculty. I can say that this journey of our education, more than 50,000 students, more than 50,000 students are studied among us, studying from us. So these are the asset of our work. Anywhere we go, we can see our student present over there. So this is the asset for us, and this is the power that we are getting from our student. So this is the simple explanation related to our school fees. Here some scholarships for the students we have explained. If student has got 90% or above 90%, student will get free admission. Student need not to pay any rupees for 2 years 11-12 science. So 90% or above 90%, not percentile, percentage. If the student got 90% in board exam, free education in only Bhavnagar in our Samved school. 85 to 90, 89% percentage, 50% scholarship will be given to the student, and 80 to 84% student has got, then 25% scholarship will be given to the students. So these are the simple explanation related to scholarship. Samved scholarship, 90 or 90 above 90% free education, 85 to 90%, then 50% less in total fee, and 80 to 85% or 80 to 84%, 25% less in total fees or scholarship in total fees. For registration, student can register their name. You are given mobile number 8160202664. You have to give your name, your WhatsApp number, time 10 to 5 p.m. and here the address of our website. you can direct click or direct enter through our website. So this is the pattern to get the registration. Mobile number, you can directly call the mobile number on this mobile number, or you can direct WhatsApp on this mobile number your name, your WhatsApp number. And to get registration, timings are 10 to 5 p.m. You can watch our website by this address. Principal number also given to you, 9428990691. Main faculty, biology faculty, you are given number 9898089696. Maths faculty 8849190261. Chemistry faculty 9825736731. You can direct contact to the main faculty to get the admission. So this is the simple webinar or simple seminar given by me, AG sir, by Samved School. I heartily welcome all of you and make your dreams real. Very all the best for your 10th exam and welcome in 11th Science in Samved School. Thank you very much.